One day, King Nebuchadnezzar built a huge statue out of gold. He announced, "When you hear the sound of music, everyone must fall down and worship the statue that I have built. Whoever does not fall down and worship will immediately be thrown into a blazing furnace." When the music began to play, all the people fell down and worshipped the gold statue. However, 3 Jews called Meshach, Shadrach, and Abednego did not worship the statue. Some astrologers saw them refusing to worship the statue and told King Nebuchadnezzar. The king was furious and summoned Meshach, Shadrach, and Abednego. He asked them, "Is it true that you do not serve my gods or worship my gold statue? If you do not worship it, you will be thrown into a blazing furnace. Then what God will be able to rescue you?" But Meshach, Shadrach, and Abednego trusted God and said, "If you throw us into a blazing furnace, our God is able to save us. But even if he does not, we will still never worship your statue of gold." The king was so angry that he ordered the guards to throw the 3 men into the fire. But when the king looked into the fire, he saw 4 men walking around unharmed. He called to the men to come out of the fire, and they saw that Meshach, Shadrach, and Abednego had not been harmed by the fire. Amazed, the king began to praise God.